Dear students, now today we are going to continue further with sulfuric acid. Children, I have already explained you some of the properties of sulfuric acid initially. Now what are the main key points what we are going to discuss here about sulfuric acid is that we are going to discuss about the non-volatile nature of the sulfuric acid as well as oxidizing nature of sulfuric acid. This is what we are going to discuss today, children. So in this I have already explained you that why sulfuric acid acts as a non-volatile acid. Yes or no? Because its non-volatile nature is due to the high boiling point. Its boiling point is what? 338 degree Celsius. So चिल्ड्रन वोलाटाइल और नॉन वोलाटाइल में डिफरेंस क्या होता है? लाइक इफ़ यू से नेल पेंट रिमूवर, यू हैव सीन ना, अगर नेल पेंट रिमूवर की बॉटल को तुम खुला रख दोगे तो व्हाट विल हैपन चिल्ड्रन? व्हेन यू कीप द बॉटल ओपन इट विल इवेपोरेट फास्ट. दैट मीन्स इट हैज़ लो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. ओके, सो ड्यू टू लो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट दे कैन इवेपोरेट at room temperature also. Certain substances even evaporate on heating. That means as soon as you start the heating, जैसे तुम हीट करो वैसे वो वेपर्स बनने चालू हो जाएंगे. ओके, सो दैट इज द volatile nature. But here in this case of sulfuric acid, it does not act as a volatile acid. It is a non-volatile acid because of high boiling point. Its boiling point is 338 degree Celsius. Okay, now it is highly non-volatile in nature. So due to this, what will happen here is when we heat it with the salts of more volatile acid, when you heat it with salts of more volatile acid. Salts of more volatile acid means first volatile acid we have two, yes or no? One we have HCl, one is HNO3. अब इसके सॉल्ट क्या होंगे? तुम हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस कर दो तो इसकी जगह पे इसका सॉल्ट हो जाएगा NaCl और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? NaNO3 हो जाएगा. सो दीज टू आर द सॉल्ट्स ऑफ वोलाटाइल एसिड. इस एसिड से ये सॉल्ट बने, हेंस दे आर कॉल्ड एज सॉल्ट ऑफ वोलाटाइल एसिड. सो what reaction we have to mainly study here is about sodium and potassium chloride. So let us see the general equation. The general equation is salt of volatile acid. Children, this general equation you should know because I will tell you that in exam what happens, the question is asked in a different manner. So what is the equation? Word equation is salt of volatile acid when you treat with non-volatile acid. So what will happen? It will give us acid salt. The product formed will be what? Acid salt plus it will displace volatile acid. This is also volatile. The spelling got wrong. So volatile acid. This is the product formed. Okay. Now these two are our reactants. So let us take salt of volatile acid. Say I am taking NaCl. When you treat it with H2SO4, when we treat it with H2SO4, so what should be the product? The product should be acid salt plus volatile acid. So how it will form acid salt? दो हाइड्रोजन से एक हाइड्रोजन जो है रिप्लेस हो जाएगा किससे? सोडियम से. सो व्हाट इट विल फॉर्म? इट विल फॉर्म NaHSO4 प्लस HCl. Okay, now see here, this is hydrogen present in the salt, due to which this salt is an acid salt. This you need to remember, children. Okay, now here the condition is that we will use concentrated sulfuric acid, not dilute sulfuric acid is not non-volatile in nature. Concentrated sulfuric acid is non-volatile in nature. So here the temperature is less than 200 degree Celsius. Okay, it is less than 200 degree Celsius. This reaction will occur. So this reaction can be used in the preparation of hydrochloric acid as well as the chemical property of the sulfuric acid. Okay children, so now according to the equation, let us see one more reaction. Say potassium chloride, when we treat it with H2SO4, so this is our concentrated acid. One thing you must remember, that you will write this word CONC. This word is very important. If you will not write concentrated word, then it will be assumed that you are using dilute acid. Okay, so when you will treat here, see children, I can write this H2SO4 as HSO4 ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. This is only for your understanding. So now see, okay, this way the product is formed. Okay, one hydrogen will remain here, okay, and one will be replaced with potassium, and the rest, what will be the product here is what? Your HCl. Okay, so now what will be the product? That is KHSO4, acid salt. This is our acid salt plus HCl. Now this HCl is your volatile acid which is released. Now what could be the question asked in the exam? Exam में तुमसे क्या question पूछेगा? One question. The first question is, okay, how you can prepare volatile acid using non-volatile acid? How you can prepare volatile acid using non-volatile acid. One question. The second question is, how you can react, what will be the product form when the volatile acid reacts with the salt of volatile acid? This is salt, yes or no? So reaction of salt of volatile acid with non-volatile acid, that is your sulfuric acid. So these two reaction you need to remember children. Now let us see the another reaction with another volatile acid, and our another volatile acid is our HNO3. So HNO3 is also a volatile acid. This is also volatile acid. So how we can prepare this? Okay, how you can prepare using non-volatile acid? See here, what would be the reaction? The reaction is salt of volatile acid plus non-volatile acid, or you can write here less volatile acid. Less matlab kam. Okay, it will give you what? Acid salt plus volatile acid will be formed here. This is the general equation. Now what could be the equation with HNO3? We have to prepare HNO3. This acid should be prepared here. So what I will do, I will treat the salt of the same volatile acid. इस acid को बनाने के लिए हम इसी acid का salt use करेंगे. So that is our NaNO3 plus H2SO4. This H2SO4 is concentrated in nature. Now what will be the product? Acid salt देगा NaHSO4 plus HNO3. This reaction is taking place below 200 degrees Celsius. The condition is also very important. The condition is important. If you do not write this temperature, the reaction will get wrong. Okay, the another reaction is with potassium nitrate, KNO3 plus H2SO4. Again this acid is concentrated. The product form will be less than 200 degrees Celsius, below 200 degrees Celsius. ये temperature अगर तुमने नहीं लिखा तो reaction wrong हो जाएगा. So what will be the product? KHSO4 plus HNO3 will be the product. Okay, I hope that you are getting. Okay, now let us start with the next topic, that is sulfuric acid as an oxidizing agent. Children, you all know what is oxidation and oxidizing agent, yes or no? Okay, it will bring oxidation in the other compounds. Okay, hence it is a oxidizing agent. Now children, why it is an oxidizing agent? Firstly, let us discuss what is oxidation, children. What is oxidation? Okay, what is oxidation? Oxidation means what? Addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. This we have studied, removal of hydrogen, है ना? children. So here what will happen is we are going to add oxygen in other compound. तो जब हम किसी कंपाउंड में एडिशन करते हैं ऑक्सीजन का, दैट सब्सटेंस इज नोन एज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. तो ये काम कौन करेगा? दिस एजेंट, दैट इज सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड विल डू दिस वर्क. ओके, सो द नाउ यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दैट दिस सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज ऑल्सो व्हाट? कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड. डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट का काम नहीं करेगा. ओके, नाउ दिस इज वाई, व्हाट इज द रीजन ऑफ इट एक्टिंग एज एन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट? क्यों ये रिएक्ट करता है एज एन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट? H2SO4 ऑन थर्मल हीटिंग. जब हम H2SO4 को हीट करेंगे, सो व्हाट कुड बी द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म? इट विल गिव यू H2O प्लस SO2 प्लस नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन. चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन, जो मैंने स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में लिखा है नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन. चिल्ड्रन, नेसेंट कंडीशन मीन्स जस्ट इंस्टेंटली इट हैज़ बिगिन टू फॉर्म. इंस्टेंटली इट हैज़ फॉर्म्ड ड्यूरिंग द रिएक्शन. ये पहले से नहीं होता है. ऐसा नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन पहले से नहीं मिलता है चिल्ड्रन. ओके, यू विल नॉट गेट दिस नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन एनीवेयर. वेन एवर देयर विल बी द रिएक्शन टेकिंग प्लेस, ड्यूरिंग दैट रिएक्शन इंस्टेंटली इट विल फॉर्म. ओके, सो जब भी हम H2SO4 को, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 को किसी भी सब्सटेंस के साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे, उसी समय इसमें थर्मल हीटिंग तो होगी ही. ओके, बिकॉज इट इज़ एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. H2SO4 रिलीजेज व्हाट? हीट एनर्जी, लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी. Okay, it is exothermic reaction. Sorry, it is an exothermic reaction because H2SO4 releases large amount of heat energy. So इसमें क्या होता है? जैसे ये डिकम्पोज करेगा, ये तुरंत नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन देगा, और ये ऑक्सीजन क्या करेगा? किसी भी सब्सटेंस के साथ जाके ऐड हो जाएगा. सो एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मीन्स ऑक्सीडेशन. बट ये काम किसने किया? एजेंट ने किया है. सो व्हाट इज दैट एजेंट? दैट एजेंट इज अवर सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो वी हैव टू स्टडी ओनली 2 reactions in this with the non-metals. One thing you remember, the reaction is with non-metals only. So we have to study 2 reaction. Okay, that is with carbon and with sulfur. Okay, now what will be the reaction when the non-metal reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid? So it will undergo oxidation reaction, यानी कि इसका ऑक्सीडाइज्ड प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए, यानी कि मुझे इसमें ऑक्सीजन ऐड करना है. सो व्हाट कुड बी द प्रोडक्ट? द प्रोडक्ट विल बी CO2 प्लस 2H2O plus 2SO2 is the product form. This is carbon dioxide gas, water and sulfur dioxide gas is released. Okay, now the next reaction is when you treat sulfur. Okay, to balance this equation we have to multiply 2 over here. Again sulfur, when you treat with sulfuric acid, again we have to multiply 2. Now it has to form its oxidized product. So 3SO2 plus 2H2O is the reaction. ओके, दिस विल बी द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म. कार्बन के साथ क्या होगा? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर और सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड देगा. सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड के साथ ये तुमको सिर्फ सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर देगा. Okay, I hope that you have understood till here. So we are left with only a very small next topic. So I hope that within these 3 lectures we are going to complete our syllabus of sulfuric acid. Kindly study accordingly whatever I am teaching. Okay, thank you.